Hello everyone and welcome to Ceylon Advisor, and today I'm going to show my herb garden, and I'm going to talk about tips of growing mint in a small container. And you're going to grow lots of mint in a small container with these simple tips. Stay tuned. Growing mint can be challenging, but it's not very hard if you do it in the right potting mix and in a perfect container. Then it's not rocket science. I will show you how. So first of all, we talk about mint. They have side shoots and they produce a lot of runners all the way. So this mint pot, it was only with one plant which has produced so much of runners and side shoots. And what happens is they need a good potting mix which is moist, because mint loves moist. So this mix which I have added here contains 50% cocoa peat and 20% garden sand and river sand, so that has a good moisture contain and good moisture retention, and it gives a perfect soil temperature for the mint to grow. And it's very loosey, so you can see these side shoots which run over. So they go underneath and then they produce leaves out of it. So first tip, you will need a good growing medium to grow mint, and it should be so moisture retention. The moisture should retain well, and it should be very loose. So the best option was using cocoa peat plus garden soil and sand. So sand will give a loosey surface and cocoa peat will retain moisture. And now I have mint and I have peppermint here, so you can see both in the same pot. That's possible because it's all the same family. Even oregano is a mint family, but I don't want to mix it up here because I grow my mint for mojitos, and it's really good. It will take just a month, and you will see. I will do an update if you want, and it will cover the entire pot here. And this is a container which I had left over in my kitchen, so I took it to use mint. And you can even buy this type of container, that's not so expensive. And in my herb garden I got rosemary and I got basil, I got parsley, oregano and stuff. And please do subscribe to our channel, and if you subscribe and ring the bell notification next to you, and I'll be posting each videos from scratch how to plant each and every herb separately. I'll be doing separate videos, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you.